Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, Men's Mental Health Month is observed in June and serves to shed light on the mental health struggles faced by men. Also, it's meant to dismantle societal stigmas and encourage open conversation about men's mental well-being as well. This observance promotes awareness, education, and support for men dealing with various mental health issues such as depression, anxiety, and suicide.
Men's Mental Health Month provides an opportunity to destigmatize seeking help, highlight available resources, and foster a culture that values men's mental health, ultimately contributing to overall wellness and improved quality of life for men everywhere.
So the first question is, did you know it was Men's Mental Health Month?
I very much did. I am strongly on social media, so every other post that I see is about men's mental health and the fact that it's Men's Mental Health Month. So I was very aware. Were you aware?
No.
It's your month, babe.
I had no
It's
clue.
your month, babe.
I had no clue.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, I had no clue. I don't know.
Do you think other months are taking over Men's Mental Health Month?
I don't understand. If we think other months, it's like a race?
Yeah, but do you think, because this month is also another month, isn't this Pride Month too? Yeah, so it's Pride Month as well, which I think is interesting. I don't think it should be shared. I think Pride is very important for the group of people that it's important for, very important. And I also think that men's mental health includes those that are in Pride Month.
So,
going through what the LGBT community, the men, you're here too. So I don't think
highlight something for you, see?
Oh Lord Jesus.
No, you can draw your own conclusions from the highlighted portion.
Okay.
Right? Mm-hmm. It's weird that Pride Month is the same month as Men's Mental Health and Father's Day. Just think about it. On that note.
I don't feel like it's weird. I think...
You see, you're gone too far.
No, I was about to say, let me say what I say. I think I am not surprised.
Exactly.
That's what I mean. I'm like, okay, that doesn't shock me in the
My thing with Men's Mental Health Month is going to be an unpopular opinion once again. As per usual.
Stop it, man. Stop it.
No, because I don't see the need for it. And I'm going to tell you the truth. All right, let me tell you. Let me be a little bit more specific. Let me not say it like that. I believe that it is important to have a healthy and functioning mind and to be aware of the things that happen around you and to be aware of how you internalize it and act upon it, right? Mm-hmm. However, and I do think that we all need help because especially as a progressive black man in a society, Jamaica and the world, you need help. However, I believe that we must be extremely picky about who we get the help from. I don't think that any man must go to any woman at all to ask for any kind of mental health guidance or assistance. I don't believe so at all. I believe that if it is not a man, the person cannot understand the things that you are going through and it's just done. You can like what I say or you can not like it.
But I feel, honestly, I think that is logical. I think one of the biggest downfall of the man is that, and I was saying this to you, and I think Dufton a couple of weeks ago, women create healthy spaces for women to go and cry, for women to go and be vulnerable, for women to complain and bawl. And we don't know what we're going to do, and we talk to each other, and for the most part, we support each other, definitely. But men are the ones that do not create the safe spaces for men to go and be men. And then men are like, woman no wants to ball, woman no wants to with that. Men don't want to talk about our periods. We don't want to talk about what backache. Men are like, women get it. So man and man to support man and man. I think you're right.
Man and man need to establish a wolf pack that them operate with.
Yeah, I agree.
And that is extremely important.
Yeah. Do you think more attention needs to be given to mental health and what our society can do to foster that if that's not the case? Do you think more attention can be given to it?
To mental health?
Men, yeah. Well, Jamaica mental health generally not too, we're not too deep on it, but do you think men in particular? Because I think men are the leaders of society and we need them to be strong and
I would need to define
and not
society.
Kill us.
Society feels too broad,
Okay.
brushstroke for me. I don't believe that men operate well in large communities like that because men are born with that innate desire to lead. Most of them are born with that kind of desire. So when you find a huge collection of men, it must mean chaos. It's too much. It's too much. It's too much.
I agree.
So,
in a sense.
So I think smaller, more closely knit tribes or of men should exist, or friends should exist. That iron sharpen iron. And I believe that is how you will find men being more
acute in leadership.
In their thought
thinking,
process.
Yeah.
So I mean, this whole men's mental health month thing.
But the thing about it is, and I agree with you, we're out of time, and this is another subject I think we should have much more time to talk about, because I do agree with you, men are men. But leadership is not easy, and leadership is not something that you automatically know how to do well. You know what I mean? People assume that because you're a man, you can lead. That's not true. Because good leadership requires mentorship. There are things you need to do to be a good leader. You know what I'm saying? And even if you're not going to do it in the large groups, then we definitely need to form smaller communities that men are leading, teaching men how to be men. I said what I said. On that note,
leaders need to stop worrying about whether them is a good leader or not.
You don't have to worry about it. We as the people who want to lead, we worry about it. So when a man try to lead you off the cliff, it's like, honey, no, baby, off the cliff, that's a negative. My life is at risk. Just say, and I don't. Anywho, lots to talk about. Dayton, I'll be right back, and we're gonna be talking some more. But we're also gonna be watching a music video from Wizkid. Stick and stay, don't go away. We soon come.